You understand English, but you still can't speak? Stop scrolling. Today, I will show you a no grammar method. Sentence 1. Hello, friends. I'm Emma. Welcome to Easy English Zone. This lesson is for beginners who want to speak English daily without worrying about grammar. Most beginners understand English but freeze while speaking. Today, I will give you a simple method that works. Repeat after me. Speak with me, and don't worry about mistakes. This method is practical and easy. By the end of this video, you will be able to speak simple English confidently. I have broken these into 4 sets of 5 sentences each so you can follow easily. I wake up early. Repeat, I wake up early. I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. Repeat, I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. I go to school or work every day. Repeat, I go to school or work every day. I like learning English. Repeat, I like learning English. I speak English confidently now. Repeat, I speak English confidently now. Mini practice. Repeat all 5 slowly 2 times, then repeat fast once. I enjoy reading books in English. I listen to English songs every day. I watch English videos to improve. I write small notes in English. I practice speaking English with friends. Repeat each sentence slowly, pay attention to pronunciation. Mini practice. Repeat 2 times, then try fast once. I ask questions in English without fear. I learn new English words daily. I speak English even if I make mistakes. I listen carefully and repeat sentences. I am improving my English every day. Repeat all 5 slowly, then fast once. I greet everyone politely in English. I say thank you and sorry in English. I describe my daily activities in English. I try to speak English every day. I feel more confident after practicing daily. Many practice. Repeat all 5 slowly, then all 20 sentences once fast. Many beginners make these mistakes: thinking too much in their native language, fear of making mistakes, stopping because of grammar rules. Fix. Speak first, grammar later. Don't translate, repeat sentences in English. Mistakes are normal. Fluency comes with practice. Example. Wrong, I am going to market now. Correct, I go to market now. Tip. Speak confidently even if sentences are simple. Your brain will adjust and improve naturally. To speak English confidently, follow this daily routine. Morning, repeat 5 to 10 sentences aloud. Afternoon, listen to English audio plus repeat sentences. Evening, write 5 to 10 sentences in your notebook. Night, speak to yourself in front of a mirror. Record yourself and listen. You will notice improvement quickly. Consistency is the key. Daily practice will slowly remove fear and hesitation. Repeat sentences every day, even if for 10 to 15 minutes. Over time, speaking English will become natural. Now let's try mini conversations using the sentences you learned. Example 1. A. I wake up early. B. That's good. I wake up early too. Example 2. A. I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock. B. Perfect. I also eat at 8 o'clock. Example 3. A. I speak English confidently now. B. Wow, that's amazing. Repeat these conversations slowly, then fast once. Practice with friends, family, or even record yourself talking alone. These mini conversations will boost confidence, make English real, and reduce hesitation. Once you are comfortable with 20 sentences, start adding variations. Change "I wake up early" to "I wake up at 6 a.m. every day." Change "I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock" to "I usually eat eggs for breakfast." Change "I practice speaking English with friends" to "I like to speak English with my classmates." Don't focus on grammar, focus on fluency and confidence. Add 1 or 2 new sentences every day. Repeat old sentences daily and mix with new ones. Real fluency comes when you speak naturally without fear. Repeat all 20 sentences slowly first, then fast once. Example, fast round. I wake up early, I eat breakfast at 8 o'clock, I go to school or work every day, I like learning English, I speak English confidently now, I enjoy reading books in English, I listen to English songs every day, I watch English videos to improve, I write small notes in English, I practice speaking English with friends, I ask questions in English without fear, I learn new English words daily, I speak English even if I make mistakes, I listen carefully and repeat sentences, I am improving my English every day, I greet everyone politely in English, I say thank you and sorry in English, I describe my daily activities in English, I try to speak English every day, I feel more confident after practicing daily. Well done! If you do this daily, speaking English will become easy. If you liked this lesson, like the video, comment yes if you want more daily English lessons, and subscribe to the Easy English Zone for free daily tips. Share this video with your friends who also want to speak English confidently. Remember, no grammar, no fear, just speak English daily. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye!